Top 5 Best T-Shirt Heat Presses. Number 5. VEVOR 2-in-1 Heat Press Machine. The VEVOR 2-in-1 Heat Press Machine wants to be the hero of home customization. Bold, versatile, and built for creators chasing crisp prints on t-shirts, caps, and everything in between. Its 15 by 15 inch flat platen and 6 by 3 inch curved cap platen heat fast and evenly, wrapping colors around fabric with the kind of precision that makes plain cotton feel like magic. The Teflon-coated surface keeps transfers smooth and scorch-free, while the 360-degree swing-away arm promises safety and convenience, at least in theory. When it works as designed, it's a quiet workhorse. The temperature control panel is responsive, the soft heating liner reduces odors, and the non-slip grip feels reassuring. Yet some units clearly miss the mark. Tight hinges, burned mats, and stiff swing arms have turned early excitement into frustration. Still, what sets VEVOR apart is its rare customer service redemption arc. Quick responses, full replacements, and genuine accountability. Yes, a few presses may arrive flawed, but when the company fixes what's wrong and stands behind its promise, that matters. For small batch makers and DIY dreamers, this heat press can either test your patience or restore your faith that good service still exists. Coming in number 4, AKEYDIY Professional 5-in-1 Heat Press Machine. The AKEYDIY Professional 5-in-1 Heat Press Machine is the multitasker every creator wishes they had sooner. It doesn't just press, it transforms imagination into mugs, shirts, caps, and plates with the confidence of a studio-grade setup. The 12 by 15 inch t-shirt platen gives wide working space, while the extra attachments for mugs, plates, and hats make this machine feel like 5 tools disguised as one. The double heating tube keeps temperature even across every inch. No cold corners, no half-baked transfers. It reaches up to 480° F with speed and precision, guided by an intuitive digital panel that lets even first-timers feel like pros. The 360-degree swing-away design earns serious points for safety. It moves smoothly aside so hands stay burn-free and positioning stays perfect. Built with a thickened press panel and 2 sponge layers, it flattens materials evenly for a cleaner finish. In action, the prints come out bold, colors crisp, lines sharp. It's versatile enough for a business, yet friendly enough for a hobbyist's desk. For those chasing personalization as art or enterprise, AKEYDIY's 5-in-1 combo doesn't just save space, it fuels creative ambition with reliability, precision, and just the right spark of fun. Coming in number 3. Fancierstudio Digital Heat Press 15 by 15. The Fancierstudio Digital Heat Press 15 by 15 has earned its stripes, literally over 1,000 presses and counting. It's the kind of machine that turns nervous first-timers into confident creators in 10 minutes flat. Plug it in, set the heat, set the time, lower the handle, and listen for that familiar beep, the sound of a flawless transfer. Built for both hobbyists and small businesses, this press heats evenly and holds temperature like a pro. It's heavy, yes, around 45 pounds, but that's the price of stability and industrial consistency. The pressure dial can loosen with age, and it'll chew through a weak table, but slide a non-slip pad underneath, and it behaves. The Teflon sheet included adds a layer of polish, preventing burns and smoothing wrinkles with each press. Crafters love it. Bands have toured with shirts made on it. Blanket makers have cut them with age, and it'll chew through a weak table, but slide a non-slip pad underneath, and it behaves. The Teflon sheet included adds a layer of polish, preventing burns and smoothing wrinkles with each press. Crafters love it. Bands have toured with shirts made on it. Blanket makers have cut their production time from minutes to seconds. After years of relentless daily use, the weld might finally give, but not before it gives back tenfold in reliability. For under $210, this Fancierstudio model isn't just a heat press. It's a long-term creative partner that earns its keep press after press. Coming in number 2. Delclynee 15 by 15 high-pressure heat press machine. The Delclynee 15x15 high-pressure heat press machine punches far above its price tag. High-pressure heat press machine punches far above its price tag. It's compact, cleanly built, and presses with the kind of precision that usually costs triple. The non-stick platen heats evenly across its 15-inch square surface, while the automatic flotation system smartly adjusts pressure on uneven materials, ensuring crisp, consistent transfers, whether it's vinyl, fabric, or even Kydex plastic for custom holsters. The design shows thought in every detail. A bottom board handle adds leverage and control, while the pad cover keeps things tidy and slip-free. Temperature stability is excellent, holding within a few degrees of target even during long sessions. It heats fast, stays steady, and signals clearly when ready with a 5-beep reminder. True, the top plate runs hot, stays steady, and signals clearly when ready with a 5-beep reminder. True, the top plate runs hot, so it demands a bit of respect in handling. But for a press under $200, it feels anything but budget. Craftsmen have clocked hundreds of layers and still report flawless adhesion. Even users coming from premium $2,500 models admit this one competes in performance, if not in polish. For makers who value accuracy, durability, and real pressure, Delclynee's heat press is a small machine with professional instincts. Proof that sometimes the underdog delivers championship results. Coming in number 1. HTVRONT Auto Heat Press Machine for T-shirts. The HTVRONT Auto Heat Press Machine feels like the future of crafting finally showed up and decided to give your hands a break. With its automatic pressure adjustment and slide-out drawer, it eliminates the classic heat press dance of weight shifting, handle wrestling, and accidental burns. Just load the shirt, press the R button, and it handles the rest, adjusting to material thickness, applying perfect pressure, and releasing automatically when done. This 15x15-inch press heats fast 320 degree F in about 4 minutes, twice as quick as most manual models. The dual-tube system ensures even heat from corner to corner, giving transfers a crisp, pro-level finish every time. The auto modes are a dream for multitaskers. 4 fast presets, 2 custom slots, and 1 set-it-and-forget-it auto mode that makes production faster and stress-free. Safety is built into every inch. Cool touch housing, separated heating plate, and an auto shut-off that kicks in after 15 minutes of inactivity. Clean design, quiet alerts, and a wipeable white surface round it out. For anyone tired of clunky levers or inconsistent pressure, the HTVRONT isn't just a heat press. It's automation meeting artistry. Perfect for small businesses, side hustles, and makers who believe in working smarter, not sweatier.